Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am here to present the line dance BMP style. The song is Stomp, the artist is SHAPROSTYLE, the choreography is BRYCE, MORROW, and Pamela Scott. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, I'll post instructional at the end of this video if you want to know the step-by-step. Also, check out the choreographer, BRYCE MORROW's channel, and also High Energy, James Carr. They do an instructional as well. So between myself, the choreographer, and James Carr, you should be able to get this dance, okay? I will be showing you a modification. I'll be doing the original dance with the turns. And if you don't want to do the turns, I'll show the modification and I'll also teach it in my instructional and also James Carr. Are you ready? Let's get it.
Let's do it SHAPROSTYLE. SHAPROSTYLE.
Is that fun or what? BNP style. You can do this dance. Check out my step-by-step instruction. Go to BRYCE, MORROW, and also High Energy James Card channel. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.